As you all know, today diabetes type 2, that is high blood sugar, is killing so many persons every second. So people have started using CGM, continuous glucose monitoring. Now this has become a very good fashion. Continuous glucose monitor. Have you heard about this? CGM. It has become a fashion. It is become so trending now. A person, one of my patients, he asked me, "Doctor, I am using CGM regularly, and most of the time, when I check my blood sugar in my app, it's showing high values only. Sometimes it shows 250, some other time it is showing 350, sometimes it is showing 100, sometimes it is showing even 400, sometimes it is showing 350, various numbers." See, when you keep seeing these numbers very frequently, what will happen to your mind? 300, 325, 400, 150, 225. What will happen to your mind? I'll tell you in the end what will happen to you. See, CGM, so I asked my patient, without following a balanced diet, without correcting your diet, without following your home food in a balanced form, there is no use in using only CGM. I am not against CGM. CGM is definitely good, but it is good for only persons who are eating their home food in a balanced form with correct amount of healthy protein, healthy fat, vitamins, minerals and carbohydrates. Got my point? Without having your diet in a balanced form, there is no use in using CGM. It will be always be 300, 325, 400, 425 and 200. No use at all. Every time you see this high number. So what is the drawback? What is the drawback? Every time you see these high numbers, 300, 325, 400, 125, all these higher different values at different times, you are put into stress. The person using the CGM is thrown into stress. So what happens? The dangerous stress hormone called cortisol will be released in the body, which can cause even sudden heart attack. This stress hormone called cortisol is very dangerous. It can even cause heart attack. And at the same time, this cortisol itself will elevate the blood sugar. So who should use CGM? If you are prepared to eat your home food in a balanced form with correct amount of protein, fat, vitamin, minerals and carbohydrates, that is a balanced diet. For such persons, only for persons who are eating their balanced diet, CGM is going to help you. Or you can see the values, maybe little bit spike, you can change the diet. Okay, little bit spike, you can change the diet and get monitor. Without following balanced diet, every time it will show 300, 350, 400 and 600 only. So if you have any doubts, so this is the most important point about CGM. I am not against CGM. CGM is definitely a good tool. Only for people who are prepared to eat their home food in a balanced form. CGM is definitely useful only for people who are eating their food in a balanced diet. If you want any advice or if you want any help regarding balanced diet, call me at 944-2407-418. I'll repeat the number. If you want any help regarding this balanced diet, 9442407 and my kind request, cortisol is so dangerous, it will even damage the inside of the blood vessel. That is the stress hormone. I showed you, cortisol. This is cortisol. Cortisol is a stress hormone. It will damage the inner side of the blood vessels. Very dangerous stress hormone called cortisol. Got it? So this is the great awareness video if you are using CGM. And this is the video which has to be shared to the world, because CGM might increase your stress hormone very frequently, because you will see the app at least 2 or 3 times every day. So balanced diet is the key. So don't forget about balanced diet, and don't forget to share this great awareness video to the world. And I have one more good news. See, I reduced 42 kgs for this gentleman. 42 kgs. 128 8 kgs to 86. Totally I reduced 42 kilograms. Only 42 kgs. And for one more boy, he's a small boy. He was studying on 11th standard. 70 kgs I reduced. 140 kgs to 70 kgs. Totally 70 kilograms I reduced. No protein powder, no tablets, no juice, no running, no skipping, no treadmill. I did not tell him to go and run in the roadside. Nothing. I just gave my balanced diet. Sheban balanced diet. If you want any help to reduce your overweight, you can call me. Okay? You can take my help. We'll definitely help you. Stay tuned with Dr. Sheban, and don't forget to share this great awareness video to the world. Stay tuned.